Why does my mouse keeps on disconnecting? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to talk about how our mouse keeps on disconnecting and how we can fix those issues if your mouse keeps on disconnecting. So let's just get with the process on how we can fix that, and let's talk about what causes the mouse to be disconnected. So number one thing, maybe the physical reason like your USB port or the mouse may be at fault as well. So first of all, check if your mouse is at fault or not. For that, you can go ahead and connect your mouse with your USB port of your desktop or laptop and see if that is the reason why your mouse is having a problem. So if that is, you can just go ahead and contact someone to fix your mouse. Otherwise, other thing is head over to the device manager in order to fix your mouse and go to the USB section here, right here. And after going there, you're going to go to the USB 3.0 section here. Just go ahead and tap on it, click on it, right click on it, and head over to properties and open it up. After that, you can go to the power management section and uncheck this from this box and click on OK and apply it, and this should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, the next method we can apply is typing in here in the search bar edit power plan. Just go ahead and type in that and open it up on your screen. Open up edit power plan because power plan may be also the issue. After that, head over to change advanced power settings and open it up and go to the USB setup. Expand it, go to this section as well and expand it as well, and you can see this enable section here. We're gonna go ahead and disable this on battery and plugged in, both of them. Just disable both of them and click on OK and apply it again, and that is it. After that, you can go ahead and restart your computer for once, and that should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, it may be a physical error. Go ahead and contact someone who can repair your mouse, and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.